At first it was a little different because we did things a lot differently than what D&S does now. But they're both being family owned. That's very nice. It's not a corporate, corporate owned business, and it's nice too that with D&S they want to promote from within and they want to make everybody successful. They don't, harp on if you did something bad. Hey, just tell them what happened and then we move on from it. But it's a lot more professional than what we were used to. We had a very good following, and I think moving over to D&S and bringing our following that we had before is going to be a lot stronger in the county than what we had. We working for D&S, we're working with the owner to get more, I would say, analytics of what's going on in the of the industry, what's going on future-wise, what we're doing now. We're more invested in like iCar than we were before, more invested in the community with working with the Chamber of Commerce in Lorain County and just getting the name out and just trying to get a recognition and get our brand out there. And well, choosing D&S and like I said before, they promote from within, and they want people to succeed at this company. I've seen at the other shops where people have gone from being car washers to managers of a multi-million-dollar shop. I mean, it's wonderful, and just the tools that we're getting to put out a better product than what we did before is nice. Or, new equipment, and just them investing in the workers, knowing that you invest in us, we're going to work harder for you, we're going to work better and put a better product out. I don't know if I'd call it a team, but we're more family, because myself and the two painters, we graduated from Lorain County JVS in 1987, and we still work together. My A-Tech Brian, we've worked together since 1992. My detail guy Thad, we've worked together on and off for the last 20 years. Our estimator, he worked at Morris Cadillac, or Pontiac Cadillac. 20 years ago, I worked with him there. So, I mean, we're more family than we are a team, but it's very, I would say, very strange in this industry to have a group of people together for this long. And that means the world to me, that I would fight to the death for these guys. I mean, we all will. It's just fantastic. I wouldn't trade it for the world. I mean, I guess the quality of our work, I mean, our detail when it goes out the door is just fantastic. We get more compliments on the detail work than, the cars are just beautiful. We get people telling us that the cars look better than when they picked them up when they bought the car from a dealership. So, and then the work we do here is just, I put it up against anybody in two counties. I mean, we're fantastic. Working together for so long, we all know what everybody's strengths and weaknesses are, and I know if I can give this guy here this and give this guy that one because he's better at this and this one's better at that, and we put out a very good product. And with the tools we're getting with D&S now, we're going to be way better and stronger than we were before, and put out a much better product. Like I said, we're family. I mean, we work hard. We have a good time at work. We try, just make it a fun environment, a family environment, and we want everybody to stay here as long as they can. And hopefully, yeah, we love it. We love cars. We love fixing cars. We treat people when they come through the door like, they're long lost friends, because they're going to be our friends once they come here. They're going to keep coming back, because we're going to give them a quality product, and they're going to tell their friends, and their friends are going to show up, and it's going to be a good thing. And I'm very proud to be a part of this. It's a good thing, and I want to see it grow huge. I want to take over the county. I want to fix everybody's car in the county. So it's cool.